From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domo here with your Tuesday morning forecast. Let's start off by taking a look outside at the Penn State Arboretum. We can see some clouds in the sky, which were actually up until just recently, we're dropping some flakes of snow. Let's take a look here at our current conditions. 27 degrees, much colder than we've been seeing over the past couple of days. And mainly, we're going to take a look at that. Feels like right now just 17 degrees. That's currently being driven by around 9 to 12 mile per hour wind out of our west. Let's take a look more here at those temperatures across the Commonwealth. 27 here in State College. For the most part, we're looking at 20s here in most of western Pennsylvania. Not until we get to the eastern part do we see 30s, as well as the high spot 40 here in Philadelphia. But let's zoom out to the rest of the nation here. An all-around chilly start to the day here, with the exception here of southern Florida right now, where they're about to crack 70 degrees here. But for the most part, we can see that those temperatures all along like the blues and those light and dark purples here, as low as 10 degrees here in International Falls, Minnesota. So an all-around chilly start to our April Monday morning. And let's take a look at what's driving those wind speeds right now. 9 miles per hour here in State College, but as high as 20 here in Philadelphia, 22 in Johnstown. So when you step out the door, make sure you have those layers on, because that temperature you see on the map or your phone is not going to be what you're feeling when you step outside the door. Let's take a look here at the radar satellite. We can see that those snow flurries have been making their way through here this morning, all the way through this morning, and can continue to happen here with some scattered snow flurries possible for much of central Pennsylvania. And let's take a look here ahead to the future. We can see after that snow moves through the Commonwealth, we can see dry, completely and utterly dry here across the Commonwealth, with a few scattered clouds here to our extreme southwest and northeast. But for the most part, we are remaining dry here in Pennsylvania. But once we take a further zoom out here at a different model, we can see as we move into Thursday, we can see a mixed precipitation threat is prevalent here Thursday morning. So make sure when you're walking out the door Thursday morning, you got that raincoat, and it could potentially even be leading to some snowflakes. But after that snow moves through, the threat will just remain as rain as it pushes up here from our south, remaining through Friday into Friday evening. And your forecast for today, 37 degrees with that AM snow chances, and as well as winds out of our northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. So be mindful of those gusts. And let's take a look at the forecast for tonight. 23 degrees with the chance of some frost due to those low temperatures, with the wind calming down to about 5 to 12 degrees. And your forecast for tomorrow, 48 degrees with that AM frost, but otherwise sunny here with much calmer winds, 5 to 7 degrees, 5 miles per hour rather, out of our west. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We have those gusty conditions today, 37, warming back up to 48 here, partly cloudy on Wednesday, but by the time we reach Thursday, we have that mixed precipitation. 47 degrees is your temperature, all the way up to 50 with rain on Friday and those showers lingering into Saturday here, but otherwise sunny after the morning here. 48 degrees on Saturday, 55 degrees, partly sunny on Sunday. And as we move into Monday of next week, we can see that warmth start to return here, partly cloudy. 65 degrees is your temperature. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domo. Have a great rest of your Tuesday.